Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss puberty. It is our last topic in chapter 7, Healthy Lifestyle. Let's start. What is puberty? Puberty is the time when our body changes from a child to a teenager. So, how can we state that definition? We can state that puberty is the time in life when our body is to develop and changes from the body of a child to the body of a teenager. When puberty starts. Now, for girls, puberty starts between the age of 13. For girls, puberty starts between the age of 8 to 13. And for boys, it starts from at the age of 9 to 15. Changes in the body during puberty. There are some common changes that occur in puberty. These are growing taller, changing the shape of body muscle, sweating, oilier skin, pimples on the face, and last of all, body weight increase. In case of male children, changing of voice, well shaping of muscle, and getting beard and mustache are common changes. And for female child, their muscles also start shaping, but not as much as boys. Now we will talk about how can we take care of our body during puberty. Puberty is a natural changes, so everyone should go through this. In this time, we should take care of our bodies in the following ways, such as we have to maintain our personal hygiene. We should take nutritious food. During puberty, our body needs a sound sleep. We have to take our bath regularly. And last of all, if we worried about something, then we should talk to our parents, teachers, or our elder brother or sister. In other cases, we can say that we should share our emotions. So that's all for today. Thank you.